Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all children? What are you all doing? Hope you all started studying OFA once. Welcome back. So we were doing the lesson The World of Microorganisms will start today. Our third lesson. This is a little remaining concluding of second lesson. Just one line, 4 to 8 lines. The size of cells in living organisms may be small as a millionth of meter micron or may be as large as a few centimeters. Majority of the cells are too small to be seen with naked eye. They can be seen only through a microscope. The smallest cell 0.1 to 0.5 microns is found in bacteria. A human liver and kidney cell is 20 to 30 meters in size. Got it children? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters cm. 1 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeter mm. 1 millimeter is equal to 1000 micron meters. Microns, see the symbol of micro, m. Micrometers. 1 micrometer is equal to 1000 nanometers, nm, which cannot be seen with our naked eye. Human nerve cell is nearly about 9 to 100 centimeter long. It is the longest cell. Which is the longest cell in human body? Human nerve cell, nearing 17 centimeter into 18 centimeter, is the egg of an ostrich. The size of the cell is related to its function. For example, the nerve cell in both plants and in both animal, man and elephant are long and branched. They perform the same function of transferring message in both of them. The size of organism depends on the number of cells and not on the size of the cell. Cells are of different shapes, sizes and numbers. Got it children? Why do we add few drops of buttermilk to lukewarm water to make curd? Lukewarm milk. This happens in our homes also. You all also can do. Lukewarm milk, not very hot, not very cold. A little hot. Okay, it is called lukewarm. Milk already which is made curd, half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon add it. Cover it. Keep it for 12 hours. It becomes curd. Why? How? Because of the action of microorganisms present in the milk. It changes lactobacillus. It changes into curd. Why does even cooked food get spoiled after some days? What's the matter? Why do we get bad smell from our mouth after we wake up in the morning? Because of enzymes. In this chapter, we will try to find out the answers. And 400 years back, several people wondered over so many questions they had. So one such person called Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Story of microscope, invention and discovery of microorganisms. See the picture, Antony van Leeuwenhoek. This was a microscope he first prepared. Microbiology as a science was born in 1674 when Antony van Leeuwenhoek observed a drop of lake water through a lens which he had developed. Antony van Leeuwenhoek was a fabric merchant. Leeuwenhoek built a single lens powerful microscope which could magnify the objects 300 times. His curiosity and skill of making powerful lenses was the secret of this invention of powerful microscope. Got it children? He has observed different materials under his microscope which helped him to find out so small moving microorganisms which we cannot see. If we wear specs also, anything also. So he discovered microscope in 1678. So we started observing it as from that time, and he called it an animalcules. Later these were the names of the bacteria. Along with the animalcules, he also observed many other microorganisms under his microscope, which were named afterwards. See the diagrams down. Shapes of bacteria: coccus, bacillus, lactobacillus. This helped in further discovery of other microorganisms. Now let us see what are microorganisms and where we can find them. Microorganisms, we can see several organisms in our surroundings, isn't it? But we know it now after studying so much, but we cannot see them. We can see only in microscope. These are called microorganisms. See the different shapes of bacteria. Most of it you see on the bread. No, some green fungus will come. That is bread mold. Rhizobus, penicillium, aspergillus, amoeba, no shape is amoeba bacteria, paramecium and vorticella. These are the diagrams of protozoa. Learn to how to draw it. Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, diatom, spirulina, and Edygonium algae. These are the algae. Keratium. Clear children, microarthropods. Figure 6 last. Cyclops, Daphnia, scabies mite, eyelash mite. These are arthropods, all 4 down. Figure 5th, these 3 are algae. Spirulina, Edygonium, Keratium, and Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, diatom are fungi, algae. Compare it, you find it out. What are these and why it is happening? What are the different microscopes present in the water? Got it? In the air also it is there, but we cannot collect it. In water, at least you can collect it. All of you got it? What is the homework for today, children? What are animalcules? Second one, draw 2 arthropods. Third one, draw different shapes of bacteria. These 3 homeworks are by 5 to 8. And I hope you all are studying. You have only one lesson for FA1. Got it? The first lesson. All the best. Study well, properly, slowly. Only one lesson. And that will be for 10 marks. You know, no? 5, 6 is for 10. First time you all are writing. That's why I'm telling you all 8th standard children. Physics 10 marks and biology 10 marks. Got it? So hardly 10 marks question. Only first lesson. What is science? All of you got it? Don't get bad marks. Don't leave any question. Write properly, neatly. All the best. Study well. Send your homeworks on time. And complete your work on time. Is it okay? Is it fine? All understanding the lesson we have come. We have finished first unit, second unit. Now we are in third unit. Got it? Isn't it? Am I correct? So, 2 lessons are finished. We have already started the third lesson. The diagrams are more nowadays. So, only in this lesson, this part. So, draw it properly and send me. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. See you in next class.